Y'all dancing this.
Let me get this shit once more. You trying to treat me like no dope. Treat me like he made, like he made. Like me. Make a bed for it. Yeah. Make a bed for it. I'm the kid for you.
Will it be banging? No cap.
To the honeycomb hide out, yeah, this bitch got her thighs. I pass her the blow when she get in. And fire that shit when we slide out. The players in motion, the vibe is so potent. We jamming these oldies, we rolling dope. By the end of the night, up on the city light, shit, I'ma make your ass catch the Holy Ghost. That dumb Julio kicked in, now she going hard, man, she off the hinge. She got a car, we met her with her friends, we'll let the shenanigans begin. Now we out at the spot, these hoes, some thoughts, I don't think this twerking gon' win. Now they all coming out they clothes, goddamn it, Jig James.
Let me tell y'all something I love. When I say my motherfucking mama, then I beat your ass by my motherfucking mama. See how that rain here, everybody smiling. Oh. Hey man, let me play my motherfucker. I beat your motherfucker. Hey, your motherfucker, this my motherfucking gas. Say, everybody heard it. Don't play me by my motherfucking nigga, please.
Done it again. Late nights and early mornings is a bad habit. Having still nerves, but still a bad man for the cabbage. Branches of weed and a swish of sweets, I gotta have it. It's a bunch of twerking going on. I'm just in the zone, sitting here while I'm floating in the smoke. Yeah.
That's my thing too, is to find out what some of the new generations get a lot of that from there. It's good to hear.
It talks about a boy where he's growing up with a mother who's addicted to crack, who was getting pimped by her father, who didn't even want him. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you get real deep. And then in the second verse, it talks about a female who was raped by her uncle. So.
That boy Al Songbird, we have some greatness on the stage tonight.
I'm floating on that cloud of smoke.
I love it when they sing our song. We have some greatness on the stage. Could you maybe tell the people who you are?
I'm gonna let her start because I'm gonna be
Pink Durag.
And to my direct right, we have the fabulous Miss Who?
Miss Awesome. Yeah, you don't have to be so formal. You can just call me Awesome.
Okay, just call you Awesome.
I am Awesome the Goddess, aka the Slippery Goddess. Ooh, and also to a whole lot of hating people who that bitch on that name.
Wow, the bitch on that neck. You know what? I've been waiting for this interview. I love y'all show.
Now your ass gonna tell everybody that shit tonight.
Nah, I have. I've been waiting. I'm gonna tell. Hold on, goddamn it. I knew this was gonna happen. So let me go ahead and control this shit right now. This is not slippery fucking slow. This is late night with Al Songbird. Y'all understand this shit?
Yes,
Y'all dig it?
We do, but
so we ain't gotta keep going through this. This ain't your show, it's mine.
He gonna cry in the car.
It is on Saturdays normally, but it is And then slippery slopes and wet nights, we do get wet. We also do music review Monday. And then Nico has a show that's called Scrolling Through the Timeline. And she also does do engineering.
Stop talking about scroll through the timeline.
She does engineering as well, so if y'all want to look us up, we also have Studio Q, so, you know.
See, I tell y'all, these ladies do so many things, and I've always seen them out everywhere. When I first saw them doing interviews, and it was just bananas. I'm talking about, it was like way bananas, and they always have great topics. As she said, they're always slippery over there. Can y'all talk about where it's located? Can y'all talk about where they came from?
On a cloud of smoke, yeah.
Oh, I'm so wasted.